We're on SAT Practice Test 10, Math Section 2, Question 22. What's the level of difficulty here? It's hard, but it's not nearly as hard as some of the questions that just preceded it in this Section 2. A window repair specialist charges $220 for the first 2 hours of repair plus an hourly fee for each additional hour. The total cost for 5 hours of repair is $400. Which function f gives the total cost in dollars for x hours of repair? X is bigger than or equal to 2. So let's just write down the basics of kind of what we know here. It's $220 for 2 hours, then there's an hourly fee. X is bigger than or equal to 2. If you bust out a window at your house and your parents make you pay for it, you're not going to set up a function. You're going to call the window guy. You're going to say, what's it cost for me to get this fixed? He's going to say, well, it costs $220 for the first 2 hours, and there's an additional fee. How would you figure out the fee? You do not need to do this. I'm going to show you why. But how would you figure out the fee? If the first 2 hours is $220 and $400 is for 5 hours, you take 400 minus 220. Do it on your calculator. You get 180, and you say, well, how many hours left after $220? It's 3 hours. And so you could say, well, the hourly fee is $60. You don't really need to know that. You can just plug in here. You can plug in and be really, really lazy. Why not just make x equal 5? If x is 5, what's it cost? It costs $400. So I'm going to write ABCD. I'm going to do it vertically. And I'm just going to plug in 5 every time I see an x. 60 times 5, that's 300. Plus 100. Hey, that's 400. Should I just pick it and move on? No, because I was so lazy here. I'm expecting more than one answer choice might look right, so I'm going to do them all. 60 times 5, that's 300 plus 220. You can ballpark this out. That's clearly not going to be 400, so it's gone. 80 times 5, hey, that's 400, but I was expecting that because I was lazy. 400 again, 80 times 5 plus 220, ballpark that out. That's not going to be 400. All right, so I'm down to A and C. What should I plug in the second time? Well, how about just 2? X is 2. What's it cost? $220. All right, let's try it out. So 60 times 2, that's 120, plus 100, that's 220. I don't have to do B or D. 80, this is C, times X is now 2, that's 160. That's not 220. So it's gone. The answer is A. You can plug in and get this problem right. It is a gift at number 22. You get it right. Congratulations. You are done with SAT Practice Test 10.